How to install a corner shelf. Suggested tools needed. Let's get started. Use a stud finder to find a wall stud. At least one screw must go into the wall stud to keep the shelf fastened securely to the wall. Failure to install the shelf into the wall stud will result in improper installation and will greatly affect the weight loading capacity. Insert 2 screws into the 2 ends of the bracket. Be sure the screw tip is slightly protruding through to the other side. Place the bracket against the wall in the desired position. Using a level, mark the screw holes with the 2 screws by tapping with a hammer. Using a power drill and a drill bit, drill pilot holes into the wall marks. Use the anchors to mount the brackets where there are no wall studs. Using the power drill, drive provided screws into the anchors securing the bracket to the wall. Using the power drill and drill bits, drill pilot holes into the studs. Using the power drill, drive provided screws into the wall studs. Slide the shelf onto the bracket. Secure the shelf to the bracket with provided screws. Decorate with your favorite items and enjoy.